At AliExpress, you have to understand the translation, the literal translation of things, and also they have to phrase things in such a way as to not get shut down. For example, you cannot buy a knife on AliExpress. That's a no-no, but you can buy a teaspoon. That just happens to look like a knife. Yeah, there's quite a few of them. Um, this is a automatic wire stringing machine, angle adjustment, light compact electric threading machine for construction, 21 volts. It's a wire stringing machine angle. It's a railgun. That is the translation. It is a handheld rechargeable railgun. What you basically do is you recharge the battery. It This is essentially your arc generator in the box. It sends 21 volts. I'll give you a good example. I've got a 3.7 volts step up generator, arc generator. That's enough to paralyze a human. That's a 3 volt to paralyze a human. This is 21 volts. Yeah, 7 times more powerful. And these discs on these runners on top, that is to fire your projectile. So you can get a better view. There you go. It's to fire the projectile because they spin up. The way it works is these six reels will spin really, really, really fast, and they'll build up centrifugal momentum using the arc generator as being boosted through the 21-volt rechargeable battery. And once you get up to the speed you want, you pull the button, and they will come together, and they will shoot out your pipe as a projectile at great velocity. Great velocity! So yeah, your automatic wire stringing machine, angle adjustment, light compact electric threading machine for construction, 21 volt, for 125 quid, is actually a railgun pistol. If it was my birthday next week, that would be on my fucking list.